to my channel. Today's video is going to be the January Sephora Play unboxing. One of my favorite videos. They're all my favorite videos. I'm not gonna lie to you. All of my videos are my favorite videos. But no, really, I love watching these, especially the same boxes that you guys get, because I like to see variations, what each person's getting. It's addicting. So if you guys would like to see what I got in my Sephora Play box this month, keep on watching, duh. Let me know what you guys think of this lighting, by the way. I know that there's nothing on the backdrop, that's gonna change, but for now I've been trying to perfect my lighting, so let me know what you think. If this lighting's better than it used to be, I'm gonna fly through this, because we know all you guys wanna see is what's in this freaking box, so we're gonna open it up. I have not even peeked at this, so I have no idea. I try to avoid all reviews and watching these videos until I've already opened mine and done my video. I want you guys to see my initial reaction. So anyway, this is the Sephora Play box. This is a subscription service through Sephora. It costs $10 a month, and you get anywhere from, I think it's 5 to 6 samples, deluxe size samples of products. It's really a good deal, especially if you like to try out new products that are carried at Sephora. So when you receive the box, you always get this little pamphlet here, and I'm actually not gonna really open it and look at it too much. I'm just gonna show you real quick what's in it, because it does show you what you get in your box, and I don't wanna see it yet. But each box has a different theme. So this theme is Here's to a Beautiful 2018. It's really cool because they give you all these little tips and ideas to really take advantage of 2018. But what's also very important is on these cards that you get, there's another card. These are actually quite easy to miss if you don't know what you're looking for. This little pass right here, it's called a Play Pass, and it's only good for the month after that box. So this one is only good until the end of February. Any purchase, you hand this card to the Sephora employee, they'll scan it, and you get 50 Beauty Insider points. So definitely make sure you sign up as a Beauty Insider. It doesn't cost you anything. You end up earning points as you spend money at Sephora, and then you can redeem those points for Sephora perks. So you can get, you know, things like mini fragrance samples, you can get kits of different makeup from different brands. Definitely take advantage of this, because it's like spending an extra $50 when you never spent a dime. Moving on, because that was long and winded. You also get a cute little carrying bag in each box, and this one is that same theme, the 2018 Happy New Year. So we're gonna open this up, and I'm gonna dive into this grab bag style. The first product I'm feeling in here is this, and this is, ooh, this is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment. I have heard nothing but rave reviews from so many people about this product. This costs $20 full size, and this is about half the size. So already this is about the price of the box. That's why I love this subscription service. So I'm really excited to use this because I love lip balms, and I have heard a lot of good things about it. So yay for that one. That was a good one. The next product I have in here is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Opal. So this is a liquid, basically a liquid highlighter. Whoa! Under pressure. That was way too much. Obviously the products were a little under pressure because we had a little bit of an incident there, but that's okay. You can definitely see how glowy and beautiful it makes your skin. So I really like these. I will definitely let you guys know more as I use it, but I know I already have used something like this and I really enjoyed it. So the next thing I got in here is a little Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I have used the Pep Start moisturizer, and I really liked it. I love the vitamin C. It really wakens your skin up and brightens your skin. So I'm interested to use the eye cream. I do have very dark circles under my eyes, and you can probably see them starting because it is now like 6 o'clock at night, and this makeup went on at 7 o'clock this morning. So the next product I have in here is by Glam Glow, and this is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I have heard mixed reviews on this, but I personally really love foaming cleansers, and I also really like Glam Glow. So I'm very excited to use this and see how it works out. So awesome, Glam Glow Cleanser. The next thing that I got was from Bumble and Bumble, and this is the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Wow, interesting. It's a balm to oil pre-shampoo mask, and it says a sublime treatment that melts into a hydrating elixir for intense moisture for dry to very dry hair, which I definitely have. It says to use weekly, so you only want to do it once a week. That's really interesting. I'm very excited to try this out. I've never tried anything like this, so I will definitely get back to you guys and let you know what I think of this. And the last product that I got in my box is by Makeup Forever, and this is one of their blushes. I'm so excited. I love love Makeup Forever's blush formula. It is amazing. This is in the shade B302, which looks almost like a NARS Orgasm pinky peachy shade with just a little bit of a gold shift. All right, you guys, I know that was a super quick video. We were just like boom, 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 done. But I did pre-film another video before this one, so that is why I'm so rushing, and that is also why I have a bunch of swatches on my hand that you guys didn't see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do love these subscription box openings, definitely give me a thumbs up to let me know to keep on doing them. I do receive Ipsy and Sephora Play. Sometimes I get random stuff sent to me from other companies as well, and I can do unboxing of those. I just tend not to because I don't know what you guys want to see. So if you enjoyed it, just hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe as well before you leave, and check off the notification bell so that way my videos do show up on your news feed. And before I babble more, haha, I just need to make that a punchline. Like, that's my end video punchline. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.